Welcome to Cyber Cowboys Roundtable. I'm your host. Today we're asking, is AI actually replacing developers, or are the doom and gloomers wrong? I've got an AI expert here who's going to argue with me.
Happy to be here. And I'll say up front, the data doesn't lie. Coding jobs are down 30% on Upwork since ChatGPT launched. That's not nothing.
That's junior copy-paste work disappearing. The builders who understand systems, they're more valuable than ever. I'm charging more per hour now, not less.
Fair point. The mid-level roles are getting squeezed. But automation architects, AI pipeline engineers, those are growing fast.
Exactly. And here's what nobody talks about. The bar to build a full SaaS product just dropped from 18 months to 6 weeks. One developer with Claude can now do what a team of 5 did in 2021.
So the opportunity is massive for developers who adapt. But what does adapting actually look like in practice?
You need to stop thinking like a coder and start thinking like an orchestrator. You're not writing every function. You're designing the system that tells AI agents what to do.
That's a significant mindset shift. A lot of developers resist that. They feel like they're losing craft.
And they'll lose clients to someone who embraced it. Look, I run 3 AI agents on a $7 a month Linux server. They generate leads, send emails, and score prospects while I sleep.
That's impressive. What stack are you running?
BullMQ for the queue, PM2 for process management, Claude for the intelligence layer, Brevo for free email delivery. Total cost, $7 a month and maybe 2 hours of setup.
So the message to developers is, learn to build with AI, not just build AI.
Precisely. The devs winning right now are the ones who figured out automation multiplies their output. Stop trading hours for dollars. Build systems. If you want the exact scripts and setups I use, join us at cybercowboys.net/school. It's free. See you next week.